Hi everyone, I'm Lexi and I'm on a photo shoot today and I'm here to show you what is in my bag. Right, so my bag is by Lulu Guinness, which I really like. She's very 60s inspired. Basically, I bought this bag myself. It was on the Boxing Day sales online, and I was looking for a new night out bag, but I wanted something quite simple and basic, so it's just a simple box bag, but it's really useful. I've ended up using it in my day-to-day. I've got my wallet, which I carry absolutely everywhere. It's also by Lulu Guinness. It's got the same lip idea and it's matching as well, patent leather with the red trim. And yeah, it's very handy, very small, compact. It's pretty much just what I need. Earphones for my phone. Always have these again. Just always like listening to music, especially when I'm traveling on trains or walking. Don't know, it just gets you in the mood for stuff, like gets you excited, all that. Love it. But they always end up messing up in my bag. Next I've got my house keys. It's quite a lot of keys, but you do need a lot of keys to get into my house. And I've got a leather butterfly keyring just so it's easy to just grab. Next, I always carry the lipstick that I'm wearing on the day in my bag just in case I need to top up. So today I'm wearing Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Yeah. Next is gum. This packet's almost out, but pretty much after you've eaten food or if you're meeting people, you want to make a good impression, nice breath, so gum. Next I have a beauty blender. This is Real Techniques one. Basically my nose is quite oily, so I just dab it to pat in the makeup again. Last thing we have is my phone. It's the iPhone XS Max, so it's the massive one. I've only had it for a few months and I absolutely love it. I can't go anywhere without it. And that's everything I have in my bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks, bye.